Say hi, Sa, here.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Sarah? Say hi, Tita.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
Lahat ng test, yung lahat ng resulta ng test na ginawa natin, lahat sila, guys. Ayaw maniwala ng Daddy Mike na I'm pregnant.
Don't disappoint me.
My toy's good. My toy, mommy, good.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Friday afternoon. It's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon and nandito ako ngayon sa sasakyan. As you can see, I'm on my lunch break and I'm on my way to my doctor's. So remember last week we did our tests, yung blood test and the brain CT scan. So the results are back. Hence, I'm going to the doctor's, guys. Kasi i-discuss namin kung ano yung resulta ng mga test na pinagawa niya sa akin. So, I'm really hoping and praying na good news yung matatanggap natin this afternoon. Kasi I have been stressing about it for the last week. Kasi, di ba nga, last week ko pa ginawa yung test. And then, I think I'm just thinking too much, guys. And, I don't know, kasi merong mga gabi na parang nagigising ako kasi yung heart ko parang it's pumping really fast. And yeah, siguro sa takot at pag-aalala, alam niyo yun. Friday ngayon, so walang childcare si Paris. So Daddy Mike took her out for a walk kasi maganda yung araw, guys. As you can see, it's very sunny outside. And yeah, umalis sila una kasi baka iiyak si Paris kapag ako yung unang umalis. So yeah, ayun. I'm going now, guys. I'll see you again soon. Hi ulit, guys, kakabalik ko lang dito sa sasakyan. It's now 1:35 ng hapon. And oh my god, guys, I'm super happy right now kasi lahat ng test, yung lahat ng resulta ng test na ginawa natin, lahat sila, guys, normal. Sabi ng doktor ko na everything looks good, especially yung blood test ko daw, guys. All the counts are perfect. Everything is normal daw. Pati yung brain CT scan ko, it doesn't show any yun bang abnormality or anything like that. So she's very happy with the result. Of course, I am super happy. Ngayon parang na anong tawag dito, guys, parang nabunutan ako ng tinik because as mentioned before, I have been stressing about it for the last week and I'm very happy to know na yeah, everything is fine, guys. I am healthy. Sabi niya, she asked me pala kung ano yung work ko and she asked me kung na-stress ba ako sa work or alam niyo yun kasi sabi niya it sounds like it's stress related. And I agree with that one, guys, kasi nasi-share ko naman sa inyo kapag nagba-vlog ako, minsan na-stress talaga ako sa work, busy sa work, ganito, ganyan. So, ayun, yun yung nangyari, guys. So, she said, just try na hindi ka ma-stress. And if ever na ma-feel mo yun ulit, you are not far from here. I'm here all the time, so just come back and we'll see if there's, you know, anything na na-miss natin. But for now, everything looks good. So I have nothing to worry. And yeah, that just makes me super happy, guys. Like seriously, you've got no idea. You know what? I think the only reason na sobrang na-stress ako thinking about the results kasi it's probably because I'm not single anymore, na meron akong iniisip na Paris, I have my little girl, paano na lang kung may mangyari sa akin. I've got Daddy Mike, I've got my family in the Philippines, alam nyo yun. But yeah, now that I know I am fine, guys, I will just try hard na hindi ako ma-stress kahit na minsan talaga hindi mo maiiwasan pagdating sa work, guys. It's just something that you can't avoid na ma-stress talaga kapag nagtatrabaho ka. Yeah, I'll try to take it easy from now on. And thank you very much sa inyong lahat kasi feel na feel ko talaga yung pagmamahal at pag-aalala nyo nung pinost ko yung video na yun. And appreciate ko talaga kayong lahat, guys. Thank you for the prayers. Alam ko meron sa inyo na nagsasabi na wow, include you in our prayers. Kaya yeah, maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. And ngayon I'm gonna go home para i-share kay Daddy Mike at kay Paris yung ating good news. And napaluha talaga ako, guys, doon sa harap ng doktor kasi sobrang nag-worry talaga ako. But I know yung sasabihin ni Daddy Mike sa akin ngayon, sasabihin niya, I told you there's nothing wrong, you're just stressed. Kasi yun yung sinasabi sa akin ni Daddy Mike na wag kang mag-stress, ganito ganyan, kasi yun yung nangyayari nga. And yeah, and then I have to go back to work. There you go. But I'll try not to stress myself from now on, as mentioned. So I'll see you again soon, guys.
Paris is mama's desk.
Huh? You won't believe it.
What? Okay. All clear? All clear?
I'm pregnant.
Mommy.
Seriously? What?
Yeah, no, it's all clear.
Brilliant. You're an idiot.
Guys, ayaw maniwala ng Daddy Mike na I'm pregnant. No, it's all good.
Don't disappoint me.
It's all good, Daddy.
That's good, Mom.
Everything's good. The doctor said, like, just tell your husband to not stress you out. It's because of stress.
It must have been.
The doctor said, like, tell your husband to buy you lots of handbags so you're not stressed.
Must have been my sexual healing this morning. Go back, Ashwin.
Andito ang aking baby girl, guys. You pushing? Ay, shush! Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, may bago na namang laruan, oh. Binili ni Daddy Mike. Can I buy an ice cream, please? Ah, you pushing? Okay. Ang ating baby girl pala, guys, last night, meron siyang blocked nose. And, yeah. Hindi siya makatulog ng maayos kasi yung ilong niya ay barado nga. And, yeah, I just, buti na lang meron kaming vaporizer dito sa bahay. So, I turned that on. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng, ng Vicks. And then, this morning, yung nasal spray ba? Are you feeling better na?
Yes.
Good girl. Thank you, Paris.
Mommy.
Thank you. Guys, it is now. Nak, what time is it now, Nak? Basta, malapit na siyang mag 6 o'clock, guys. Ayan. Gusto mo palabas si Paris kasi gusto niya maglaro ng bubbles. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandito sa labas. He's washing the pram. Kita niyo ba, guys? Ayan, may kausap siya sa yeah, let's go play with the bubbles.
I make sure that my
Ayan, guys, oh. Meron pa ring, cold ang ating baby girl. No? Be, mommy will open it. Be. Say hi, here.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Sarah? Say hi, tita.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, tito.
Hi, Tito.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
Do you have cold na?
No, I'm not cold.
You know,
Uy,
that's why, like, whatever is Rex
turn.
stuff, like,
Turn. Hold the camera sa me.
I tell them,
Mama will open.
you
Okay.
don't,
Like that.
don't worry about me, I'm okay. Like, these other dogs, really hard to stop.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Mommy,
Paris.
you go here.
Okay, I'll go here.
Now they actually,
Okay.
now
Chika kaya ang ating Daddy Mike sa, guys, oh.
that's a big day.
Pero ang bait-bait niya kasi, bukas kasi magkikita kami ni Ate Weng sa Chadstone Shopping Center. Tapos yung ating pram ay very dirty. Sabi ko, can we clean it, Bob?
Even yesterday,
Ayan, nililinisan niya habang may kausap siya sa farm.
I only had the one penny. I wouldn't have even needed help. I only
Is it working na?
because Carly said,
Is it working? Sobrang ganda ng araw, guys.
oh, I don't took me an hour to do the letters.
Are you warm, Baba?
So I did the letters like near the end of the day. I was like, oh,
Yeah, come here. Come here, this way.
started doing about 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Come here.
I was falling like a motherfucker.
Huh? Very sunny kahit 6 o'clock na. Where are you going, anak?
Doing tita.
Tita? Tita?
Print the PDF.
Paris is cleaning her pram.
But yeah, that alone, that if you're doing
Ang
400
dilim ng
letters,
guys.
it'll take 2.5 hours, man, for sure.
Good job, Paris.
And
Well done. The other side?
also the letters.
Wow. That's flawless, honey.
At the moment. It's all over the place, man. There's like nothing's there. Like it's all been changed around. So you need to
Mommy,
um
I don't have
you need to
Baba.
redo your you need to
Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Pakanta-kanta pa, nag-water ng plants. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandun, oh. Ganda pa ng kanyang background. Daming bulaklak. Thank you, Daddy! Ang ating baby girl ay basang-basa na. Ang kanyang sapatos. Wala na, nak. Manimaho gid na yung sapatos, nak. Na basa. Broken.
I'm gonna ride it.
Daddy.
Get my other bike because my wheels are gone. Well, Matt's got my wheels.
Tingnan niyo, guys. Nakita ni Di Paris na nilabas ng daddy niya ang kanyang bike.
I just want to
Let's ride it.
Paris, ride it. You're too small for it, anak.
Let's go, Mommy.
Huh?
I've seen that brand before.
Give it up, Mommy.
Okay, ask daddy.
They're like similar to Giant, I think.
I just knew that it seemed like
Chika si daddy sa aming silingan. Ito yung binili namin kay, guys, para kay Daddy Mike. Sobrang light niya, guys. Fiber. Made of fiber daw.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang bagong laruan, guys. Binilahan siya ni Daddy Mike. I was wondering kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Ganyan. Ay, gosh. Nag-scan pala yan siya, guys. Na, how much is that one, na? Tingnan niyo. Parang kurik, Ay, gosh. Hala, paspasa kay mo scan, oy. Mura man, veteran. How much for everything, Baba? How many? How much? How much? B, how much is this? How much is this?
I'm gonna go to my garden.
It's $5.
Let's go.
We're in the kitchen now, guys. Magluluto na kami ng dinner. Actually, si Daddy Mike pala. What are you cooking for dinner, Daddy?
barramundi.
Ayan, magluluto siya ng barramundi. Kasi, after this, pupunta si Daddy Mike ng gym.
Wow.
It's late na, Daddy. I don't think you can
Yeah,
sit
but that's the thing. Like, I don't want to do it.
What do you want to do?
I want to go. I wanna...
Here you go. You have your bike now. You can ride.
Yeah, I can try, but I want to go to the gym.
Magluluto tayo ng kanin, guys, para ipares natin sa ating fish. Fish. Ayan, marami pa tayong bigas na naiwan. Oh. I think meron pa akong isang sako dyan. Isang sako ng 5 kilo ba? Kasi nung nag-sell sila, 2 yung binili ko. Ito yung ating fish, guys. Oh, ayan. Barramundi. 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 Where's that? Barramundi?
Barramundi. From Darwin.
From Darwin, kung saan galing si Daddy Mike. Darwin, Australia. Prituhin lang namin, guys. Yummy! Oh! Don't, Mia. Oh! Bob, you got... Bob, seriously?
What?
Paris! Paris! Daddy, na ko na! Na! Paris, help mommy! Help mommy! Knock Daddy, hit mommy!
Mommy. Hit mommy.
Daddy, hit mommy! Hit Daddy! Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Ingat ya. Sige, punch. Quick, punch. Two hands. Come on. Punch. Sige. Boom. Straight punch. Punch that his face.
That is too quick.
What's that cooking? What's that?
Bread.
Bread? Pag sure na. Kailangan ganti para na. What's that?
It's meat.
It's meat.
Yes.
Touch it.
Oh, what's that?
This is fish.
Fish. Good job.
It's fish is big one.
Well done. Say we're cooking fish for dinner, Tita.
Oh, what's that, Mommy?
Don't be scared, Mommy's here. I will protect you.
Mommy, the car?
No. Ano? Agoy di ay. Agoy di ay. Dili man muburot. Guys, it's now 8 o'clock ng gabi. And kumain na kami ng dinner pala. Si Daddy Mike ay wala na dito. Pumunta siya hindi na siya pumunta ng gym, pero nag-bike siya. Ewan ko kung saan siya pupunta. Sabi niya, mamaya siguro pagka uwi niya, that's when he's going to do his gym stuff. Anyways, maraming salamat guys sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos. Please know na appreciate ko kayong lahat, especially sa mga umabot pa dito. Kasi I know na hindi talaga lahat tinatapos yung mga videos. Kaya maraming salamat kung umabot ka dito. Iyan na namin yung vlog dito guys, kasi ang ating baby girl, ayan, sobrang makalat na naman dito yung mga laruan niya. We are going to get her ready for bed, and bukas maaga pa yung lakad namin guys. Pupunta kami sa Chelsea Shopping Center with Ate Weng. So, magbablog tayo bukas guys para makita nyo sa Ate Weng. Nakita nyo na ba sa Ate Weng? Yeah, I think you've seen her sa mga videos namin before. But yeah, yes, my love. But yeah, we'll go out tomorrow. We'll do some shopping, maybe window shopping, or maybe shopping, who knows. Before natin i-end guys, mag-shout out lang tayo. And the first shout out goes to Chari Salazar. Shout out to Alexa and Eileen Suganov in Iloilo. And Salazar family, and to her sister Dao Milagros in Cebu City. Shout out to Lina Llevares, Amelia La Chica. Shout out daw to her daughter, Feby Rose La Chica. Hello, B. Shout out to Rosel Flor. Her birthday on the 14th of December. So, happy birthday, sis. Shout out to Marde Pido, Morena Dusil, Bernadette Buenaventura, Luz Kyungson, Christine Namayan, Janzi Pinay, Australia, No, and shout out din daw kay Sally and Maurice. Shout out to Riz Tamayo from Hong Kong. Love you too. Shout out to Imelda Escatron, Kai Channel, Susana Webb, and Carlota Pedro. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na. Come here, this way. Thumbs up if you like it. Not yet, not yet.
I got to go to my toilet. Manga, my toy's gonna get good, good, good. My toy, mommy, gonna get a good, good, good. I guess I got a good, good, mommy, and get a good, good, good,
Isa alien lang ang language niya.
Bye.
And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
close.